Here's a pair of the JLab JBuds Lux Headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put this in the pairing mode. Now you look at one of the ear cups here. This is the right side here with the buttons. The one here on the bottom, this is the power/Bluetooth button, okay? So these are currently on. Let me turn these off first. Let me press and hold this button for a few seconds. It said JLab off. Okay, now they're off. Now I'm going to turn them back on and hopefully it goes into pairing mode. I'll know it's in pairing mode if this light here is blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. All right, so let's turn it back on. Press and hold for a few seconds. JLab on. Oh, it said Bluetooth connected. It didn't say it's in pairing mode, and I don't see a light blinking blue, red, blue, red. The problem is because I'm connected to a different device. I'm connected to my Android phone here, okay? So if I want to put this into pairing mode to connect to my iPhone, I have several things I can do. First thing is I can go to my Android phone where it's currently paired to, and I can turn Bluetooth off on this phone. I can forget or unpair, or I can just disconnect. If I do any of those three on this phone right now, as soon as I do that, this will automatically turn, it'll start blinking blue, red, indicating it's in pairing mode. Okay, now another way I can do this is this. I'll stay connected to that. Let me just turn these off first. Press and hold for a few seconds. It said JLab off. Okay, now what I'm gonna do this time is I'm gonna press and keep holding and just wait until it starts blinking blue, red, all right? We'll do it together. Ready? Go. Press and hold. JLab on, it says. Still holding. Ready to pair, and it's blinking blue, red. So now it's in pairing mode. So let's hurry up and go to our iPhone here. And we're going to go to settings, Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now, under here, under other devices, see that little spinny thing that's spinning? These are searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. So all this is in pairing mode near me. I know the headphones are still in pairing mode. It's still blinking blue, red. And I do find the JLab JBuds Lux pop up right there. So all I got to do is tap on that. It just said Bluetooth connected. And voila, we're connected to the iPhone now. Let me see if the volume rockers work here. Yep. You can see the volume rockers right there. Now, if you still had an issue pairing and connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.